Sveicināti tautā. Esmu atradis beidzot stieni. Paldies arī lūdzējiem, kas lūdza, lai es atrodu stieni. Stienis ir atradies. Ko challenge var turpināties. 14. diena.
Morning.
How are you?
You look hot.
Yeah.
That's what you call a warm-up.
Sorry?
That's what you call a warm-up.
But it's not so hot.
No, it's nice, isn't it?
1 hour. Yeah. Are you every day here or?
Except Saturdays, I have a day off.
Ah, okay.
6 days.
Yeah. One for regeneration or?
Sorry?
One for regeneration. For regeneration. Yeah. Regeneration. To rest.
Oh, yeah.
One day.
A relaxation.
Yeah, relax day. Yeah.
Yeah, sometimes you need to let your body just settle down.
Yeah.
You know, your muscles know where they're at, or
Yeah.
not. And,
Stieni slidens šeit ir.
I get, I do my housework, washing,
Yeah.
chill out, and then go for a walk. I do other things.
Ah, okay. So you are living here or?
I have, an apartment in Perth. You know Google Hotel?
Yeah.
It's a door, just like that. I have 6 months here, 6 months in the UK. So I have the winters here,
Yeah.
summers in the UK.
Ah, cool.
And there's not a lot of difference between the winter here and the summer in the UK.
Yeah.
What about you?
Yes, we are staying here at the Paphos Greece.
Oh, right.
Louis Paphos Greece.
Oh.
But it's our last owner. So
Oh,
we are
okay.
leaving tomorrow and go back to Germany.
Oh,
Yeah.
right. Oh,
And then,
have you had nice time?
yes, of course. Yeah. We traveled around the island.
yeah.
Started in Ayia Napa,
I don't know.
then went to the north side of Cyprus.
Yes, I do know.
Yeah, to Kyrna or Girna.
Korea.
Kyrenia, yeah.
I have a
Then,
friend in Famagusta.
okay, yeah.
A very
It's-
nice friend.
But it's more close to Ayia Napa, or? Like behind the border.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's that's just past the border.
Yeah.
Half of Famagusta is in the south,
Yeah.
and then the other half is.
Yeah.
It's
I heard,
interesting.
yeah, I heard it was in the past famous beach for tourists. No?
Famagusta,
Yeah.
before the Caribbean, before holidays,
Yeah.
all the top celebrities in the world would go. Okay. It was the jewel in the crown.
Yeah.
Always.
Yeah.
That's the world, too. It's the world of it. You know, they do not appreciate.
Nu ko tauta? Challenge 14. diena pabeigt. Ļoti grūti. Tiešām ļoti grūti, nebija gaidījis. Neko tik grūtu. Vienkārši šeit tas dzīves stils ir ļoti smags. Principā es kaut kur pamostos ap 6. Aizēju uztaist to challenge. Pēc tam ēšana, tusiņš pie baseina, peldēšana, ēšana, tikai ēšana, gulēšana, peldēšana un tas skurpulozi. Apmēram 13 stundas dienā. Vakar es pēc vakariņām, varētu teikt, ierāpoju numuriņā, knapi uzvilkos uz gultas un izrubējos. Tagad tikai pamodos. Es teikšu, tas ir tik nogurdinoši. Tas ir kā smags skurpulos darbs. Pavisam nopietni. Ja tu ikdienā kaut ko dari, tur nesājies, pa to slapdraņķi īsāk sakot, tad jūties krietni možāks, modrāks nekā pēc tādas atpūtas pie baseina. Intuitīvi jūtu, atbraucot uz Latviju. Mums jāatpūšās no šīs atpūtas, jo ritīgi nogurdinoši. Tāda challenge sūta Latvijā izpildījis 1 un 2, bet nu tik smagi kā šeit. Labi, tas stienis vēl bija slidens, nezinu, kāpēc viņam šeit slidens stieņi ir. Tas cits jautājums. Bet nu slava Dievam, lai Dievs jūs svētīja ar visām savām svētībām un labu dienu jums. Un galvenais, ka ziniet, 50 gados ar Jēzu Kristu ir krietni labāk nekā 25 pēc viņa. Un arī kāds no jums grib ieaicināt Jēzus Kristus savā sirdī, tā nav problēma, vajag tikai gribēt. Un ir tā gribēšana, tu jūti, ka tev ir gribēšana, tev var vienkārši teikt, tagad, mīļais Jēzu, es tev ticu, piedod manus grēkus, ienāc manā sirdī, un esi mans kungs un glābējs, un vadi man pa šo dzīvi, pa saviem taisnības ceļiem. Āmen. Nu, čau, tauta.